everybody. Today we are going to discuss one more feature of Odoo 14, which is the repair orders. Repair orders are primarily associated with the manufacturing resource planning application, where you are able to register all the repairs that are required for all the items which have been sold and have come for repair. Under configuration, you have the flexibility to tag the different types of repair orders. Under repairs, you can go ahead and click on create to create a new repair order. You can define your reference. We will choose the product that we are planning to repair. Choose the number of quantity. If it is associated with customer, you can choose the name of the customer. You can see the details of warranty expiration. Do you want to invoice this repair? No invoice, before repair or after repair. Let's say put it after repair. We can define the price list. Tags can be defined. We choose the parts which are going to be added. If there is a serial number, we choose the serial number. We add other parts. Okay. We can also change the source and destination quantity based on requirements. Taxes, unit price can vary depending on the case. In ideal scenario, they are always predefined. So I can first of all either send this quotation to the customer to confirm the repair. Printable option is available in any case. This is the printout which is available for the repair quotation. Once the repair has been confirmed, we'll click on confirm repair, after which it goes into confirmed state. In confirmed state, I'm going to click on start repair, after which the repair operation starts. So the actual details of repair will be taken care beyond the scenes. And once you click on end repair, the system does the actual stock transfer as well. Okay. Now once this is done, the last thing that we need to do is to create the invoice. I can click on create invoice and the system automatically allows me to create an invoice and generate the same. This invoice is shown here. You can see the details of invoices. Confirm the same. And that's all. The actual repair order is now done. I can actually do the printing. Initially it was a quotation. In this case, now it's a repair order. If you look at the reports, we can actually see all the possible graphs, pivot view, calendar view, list view, and we have the possibility to change the graph in different ways as well. That's all for repair orders. Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.